Welcome to Great Garden, where orchid lovers come together. Stop using chemical fertilizers, or you will surely regret the long-term harm they cause. To give you more options, in today's video, I will share with you a natural organic fertilizer formula that is easy to make, safe, and effective for orchids as well as other plants in the garden. If this method is applied regularly, the plants will immediately regain vitality, have strong roots, shiny green leaves, and at the same time create favorable conditions for bud formation, bringing bright and long-lasting orchid blooms each season. If you are a beginner, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any orchid care tips. Let's get started. Do you have carrots in your kitchen? I guess almost every household has some, right? Carrots are not only good for human health, but they are also extremely beneficial for orchids. First, I will wash the carrots under clean running water. This helps remove dirt, sand, and impurities on the surface, ensuring that the nutrients from the carrots remain uncontaminated when used, while keeping the resulting solution clean and safe for effectively nourishing the orchids. Next, I will cut the carrot in half like this and use only one half. Then cut the carrot into small pieces as shown in the video. Carrots are not only rich in vitamins A and C and minerals, but they also contain plenty of beta-carotene and natural enzymes, which help strengthen the immunity of orchids. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I put all the chopped carrots into the blender. Add 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water. Then, blend the carrots until smooth. This helps release the maximum amount of vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes in the carrots, while creating a fine solution that is easily absorbed when poured or sprayed on the plants, allowing the orchid roots and leaves to quickly take up nutrients and promoting healthy growth of new shoots and flower buds. After blending, we strain out the pulp, keeping only the pure liquid. This liquid is a nutrient-rich carrot extract, full of vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes, and is easily absorbed when poured or sprayed onto the plants. Next, I add 1 liter of clean, room temperature water to dilute the solution. And that's it. The solution is now ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. With 10 years of orchid growing experience, my grandfather shared that, before fertilizing, you should lightly rinse the orchid pot. This isn't just a perfunctory step. It's an important technique that helps wake up the roots, making them ready to absorb nutrients as efficiently as possible. When rinsed with clean water, the growing medium becomes evenly moistened, while any accumulated salts, dirt, or impurities around the roots are washed away. This makes the environment around the roots more airy and fresh, creating optimal conditions for the roots to breathe and exchange nutrients more effectively. This light layer of moisture also helps activate the tips of new roots, causing them to expand and enhancing the transport of water and nutrients. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients are absorbed faster and distributed more evenly, allowing the plant to take up everything it needs without fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, lift the plant out to let it rest, helping it stabilize moisture levels and begin the nutrient exchange process. Method 1. Wiping the leaves. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to lightly soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid's leaves gently. When wiping the leaves, dust and residues are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively, enhancing photosynthesis, and reducing bacteria, mold, and pests. The carrot extract provides a rich source of natural nutrients, full of vitamins A and C, beta-carotene, minerals, and natural enzymes, helping strengthen the plant's immunity, nourish glossy green leaves, and support strong root development. You should wipe both sides of the leaves with the carrot solution, as this helps stimulate metabolism and allows nutrients to penetrate deeply into the leaf cells. Therefore, it's recommended to do this 1 to 2 times per week to keep the leaves clean, ensure optimal nutrient absorption, and avoid waterlogging or damaging the plant. Method 2. Watering the base. I will continue by pouring the carrot solution into a specialized watering can. Then, start watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides a rich source of natural nutrients from the carrot extract, but also creates a natural protective layer against fungi, bacteria, and pathogens, helping the plant develop comprehensively from roots to leaves. Therefore, it's recommended to water once a week during the recovery period, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. When watering, do so evenly and gently to avoid excessive water accumulation, ensuring good root absorption, a well-aerated growing medium, and reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Method 3. Misting spray. Pour the solution into a specialized spray bottle and mist it evenly over the plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Misting the carrot extract solution helps nutrients evenly penetrate the entire plant, providing vitamins, minerals, beta-carotene, and natural enzymes. You should spray both the top and bottom sides of the leaves to allow deep nutrient absorption, enhancing protection and nourishing the plant. This method can be applied once a week during the first month, then maintained once a month for long-lasting effects. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to fully absorb the nutrients. If any water remains on the leaves, gently wipe them dry with a soft cloth to prevent creating an environment for fungi and bacteria to grow. Dry leaves allow the plant to photosynthesize more efficiently and keep the roots active, maintaining vigorous growth and preparing the new shoots and flower buds to develop healthily. For the remaining solution, I will pour it into an ice cube tray and place it in the freezer for longer storage. When the solution freezes into small ice cubes, many people have the habit of placing the ice directly at the base of the plant like this, which is completely wrong. Instead, put 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup like this, then stir well until the ice melts. You should wait about 15 minutes for the ice to fully melt. After 15 minutes, when the water has reached room temperature, we can pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The nutrients and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds from the carrot, combined with vitamins, minerals, and natural beta-carotene, are easily absorbed by the plant, supporting root development, enhancing immunity, and promoting glossy green leaves. In addition to using this organic solution, Place the pots in a spot with gentle light and good airflow so the leaves stay healthy, green, and vibrant. Avoid direct harsh sunlight, as it can easily cause the leaves to yellow and damage the plant. Results. After 2 months, the orchid leaves are deep green, glossy, and thick, with new leaves full of vitality, efficiently photosynthesizing and nourishing all the young shoots. The root system has developed strongly, producing many new plump white roots that firmly anchor into the medium, enhancing water and nutrient absorption and making the entire plant healthier. Flower buds and spikes grow evenly and robustly, ready to form vibrant blooms. The buds are numerous, large, and brightly colored, lasting longer, with flowers opening successively, creating a pot full of life and brilliance for several weeks. This is a well-deserved reward for persistent care. When properly nourished, orchids respond with vigorous growth and naturally stunning flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.